Namaste, I'm Janil and welcome to Janil Dolakya Yoga. If you've been feeling very stiff and tight in your body and you think you can't do yoga because you're not flexible, then you come to the right place. This video will help you increase your flexibility and feel very light and open. For that you will need a yoga belt. If you don't have a yoga belt, even a dupatta or a scarf will do. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Get hold of your props and let's get started. So come meet me in a lying down position on the mat and get hold of your yoga belt or dupatta. Open it up fully. And then bend your right knee and plug the belt in the arch of your right foot. Now take the leg straight, as much straight as you can keep it. Keep the other leg also straight on the floor. Now open the belt and hold it with both your hands like this and then start to drop the heel down and lift it up. We do this a few times. Drop it down and up. 3 and up. 1, 4 and up, 1 last and up. And now keep the leg up and hold the belt with both your hands and open the toes towards you. Now if your leg is not as straight as this and if you're somewhere here, that also is absolutely okay. But pay attention that your knee is not bent. So priority is to keep the knee straight. Doesn't matter what height you're able to get with your leg. So choose a height in which your knee can be absolutely straight, and most importantly, turn your toes towards you. So it's called flexing the foot. Stay here for a few breaths. You're going to feel a nice openness in the entire back of the leg. This is the area which gets tight and stiff in so many of us, and that is one of the reasons where we want to increase our flexibility. Now hold both sides of the belt with your right hand and we move the leg in rotations. 1, 2. Try not to move your left leg, ground your left leg firmly. Big circles. 3, 4 and 5. Let's change the direction. Anti-clock. 5, 4, 3, trying to keep the leg as straight as possible, 4 and 5. Now take the right leg, open it to the right side. So my right elbow is on the floor and the right foot trying to reach the floor. Now what's important is that you don't lift your left buttock up. Push the left buttock down firmly, left leg is straight. Flex the right toes and stay here for a few breaths. Pull the leg towards your shoulder and also let it go towards the floor. But remember, left buttock fully down. Breathe and stay here. Alright, slowly bring the leg back up. Hold the belt with your left hand now. And take the leg towards the left side as much as you can, but try to press the right shoulder fully down. So open your right hand in a T and push the shoulder down and then pull the leg towards you. One more breath here. And slowly come back to center. Release the belt, release the leg down. Let's do this on the opposite side. And for that, I'm just going to turn and face myself towards the other side. You don't need to get up. You can just change the position of the belt. So lie down. I mean, you are already lying down. So just take the belt into your left foot now. Take the leg up. Find your angle where you can keep the leg straight. Then check in with your bottom leg nice and straight. And then let's start taking it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take the leg up now, hold it, really feel a nice opening in the back of the legs. Stay here for a few breaths. Alright, now hold both the sides of the belt with your left hand. Let's move it in circles. Big rotations. 1, 2. Try not to move your right hip now. 3. Ground your right leg. 4 and 5. And let's move it opposite, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring the leg up and then open the left leg towards the left side. My left elbow is on the floor and using my left hand I'm pulling the leg towards me. Right palm on your right thigh, pushing your right buttock down. Breathe and stay. And very gently bring the leg back up. Shift the hands, so take your right hand, hold both sides of the belt and then pivot your leg towards the right side, and then while you do that, open the left hand in a T and let your left shoulder really ground. So try not to lift your left shoulder and keep pulling the leg away towards the right side. Keep breathing. And slowly bring the leg back up, release the hands, release the belt, release the legs. Just stay still, notice how your legs feel. Notice the increased blood circulation in your legs. And just by doing this much, you have slowly increased your flexibility. So try out this routine every single day for a few weeks and start noticing how your flexibility increases and you start feeling so much lighter in your body. Do give it a try. Let me know in comments how it goes. Namaste.